For graphing inequalities, there are two special types of lines we need to go over before we go to this system where we have two. So we're going to graph x greater than a number, x greater than some number, and y greater than some number, or less than, whatever. So for x lines, we have a grid right here. X equals lines are vertical lines. So we have x equals a number, that's going to be a vertical line like this. I'm going to change the color and I'm going to say that I'm going to graph the line x is less than 7. To graph that, we go over to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, that was an unnecessarily large number. So let's go with 3. And it's less than. So our line is going to be dashed since there's no equal to. If you watch the other videos. So we go to 3 on the x-axis. And we just draw this vertical line here. Dashed. And then it is less than. So we have to decide which way to shade. Less than x. This is the one case where you think left. So we want to go smaller. In this case, we're shading to the left. So I'm going to shade all of this over here. Oops, that's a little much in that line. Just shade all of this way. And that is the inequality because it covers everything less than 3 on x. Just go here and color all of that in. For y equals, it changes to a horizontal line. So we're here in our graph. And this time I will do y is greater than or equal to -4. So we want to go to -4 on y. Then we'll decide which kind of line. In this case, this is an underlined inequality. So it's a solid line. And again, y equals our horizontal. So you can draw this up here. And we go through that -4 horizontal. I could have done that better using the actual grid lines, sorry. And then shading, we have to decide which way we shade. It's greater than. So we're going to shade up or above the line that we just drew. So here, this is the y equals -4 line. I'm just going to shade everything above it because all of that is included in the inequality. And I'm going to do a couple more examples like that. I'm just going to wipe this clean or maybe get a new one. So, new one. I'm going to graph. Here I'll draw this one. And this time we have x and y. And this time I want to graph x is greater than -2. Let's say I'm just making these numbers up. So I go to -2, that's -1, -2. And again, x equals lines are vertical. But this one will actually be dashed. So it's a vertical line still, but we want it dashed because there is no equal to. So we're going to dash this. through -2. We go here, -2. And then we have greater than, so we shade to the bigger numbers, which on x equals cases is to the right. So we're going to go here. We're going to shade it to the right of that x equals 2 line. All of this in here, everywhere. Shade all of it. Okay. And then just another example of y equals for you to see, or y less than or greater than. Y inequalities, x-axis, y-axis. Let's say y is less than or equal to 1. And you go to the 1 on y. It's a solid line and it's horizontal. The y equals are horizontal. Oh, that's not y. I did that little dash on x there. That was a bad idea. Because I don't care about x. I care about y. Because y equals 1. So we go here. And I draw this line, solid, because there it's equal to. And then I want less than, so I shade below. All the way below here, just shade it, shade it, shade it, shade it, shade it. Shaded below because of the less than. And then in the next video, we will put two of these together and see where the shading overlaps.